In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your missing Shokz OpenDots 2. So, say for example, the buds are missing, so they're no longer being seen, and you're looking for them. In order for you to be able to find them, what you're going to do is simply start by opening up the Shokz app on your phone. From here, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to find My Earbuds. Go ahead and select that. From here, depending on which bud is missing, whether it's left, you can start by playing a sound on the left bud. And once you hear that sound, you should be able to find your bud. And once you find it, you can stop it like so. You can do the same thing for the right bud. You can go ahead and play it, ping, and then stop it when you successfully found the bud. Now the volume isn't too high, so you do have to have keen ears whenever you're looking for these buds. But other than that, that is how you can easily find them if they're ever missing or lost. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.